How to add a video to a YouTube playlist. So if you are having problems or questions about adding a video to a YouTube playlist, you have come to the right video. So if you want more videos like this, subscribe and hit that notification button bell on for more updates. So what we will do is go to the YouTube app and pick any video that you want. As you can see here, there are 3 dots on the side of the video. Click on the 3 dots and you can see save to playlist. And now you will see many playlists and pick whatever playlist you want. After that, you have already put the video to a playlist. Another way of putting the video to a playlist is this. First is click on a video and you can see at the bottom here there are many options, and swipe to the right until you see the save button. Once you have clicked the save button, it will be saved to a playlist, and you can also change where you want to save it. So thank you for watching and hope this works for you.